Oh, hello there. Would you like to be one of my little helpers? How well do you know the engines on Sodor? Let's play Who's That Engine? If I give you some clues, can you tell me who this is? This engine has a tall black funnel and a shiny big brass steam dome. It has 2 leading wheels and 6 driving wheels. And a whistle that sounds like this. This engine is very proud of its splendid red paint. And it's the number 5 engine on my railway. So, who's that engine? That's right, it's James. Well done. I think you deserve my little helper's certificate.